Welcome to 1522 Winville Road, a beautiful 3-bedroom, 3-story freehold townhome with 3 washrooms, situated within a quiet neighbourhood of East Pickering's Duffin Heights community. A south-facing glass-panelled front entry door with sidelights allows natural light to further brighten the stunning foyer and reception hall, both which showcase porcelain floor tiles and a neutral decor that continue into the family room, contemporary crystal and metal light fixtures, and with the foyer also having the modern elegance of light-coloured stacked stone walls. With its generous size, the family room can accommodate multiple sitting and conversation areas, and track lighting complements the diffused natural light that streams through its north-facing window and sliding door walkout. Off this lovely entertaining space is a 4-piece washroom with a ceramic tiled floor and bath area, while the walkout opens to a fully fenced backyard with gardening beds, as well as the natural beauty of evergreen and perennial shrubs. This level also has a laundry room with washer and dryer, access to the single-car garage, a double coat closet, as well as a storage closet under the dark-stained hardwood staircase to the second level, with this level having an open concept layout with 9-foot ceilings and a neutral decor, a home office, elegant formal entertaining spaces, and a huge kitchen. Hardwood flooring brings rich warmth to the formal entertaining rooms. These beautifully combined spaces showcasing a contemporary crystal chandelier in the dining area, while a candelabra-style chandelier illuminates the living room, which has a south-facing window for added natural brightness. Hardwood flooring also finishes the south-facing home office, which can be converted into a bedroom. Between the second and third level staircase landings is a double closet, while enhancing the brightness of the incredibly spacious kitchen is its light-colored ceramic flooring and cabinetry, exquisite pendant lighting, as well as natural light through its north-facing window and sliding door walkout. This exceptional meal prep and family space showcases a large breakfast area with additional seating at the center island, an abundance of cabinetry and pantry storage, a stainless steel fridge freezer, oven, range hood, dishwasher, and double sink, as well as a mosaic tiled backsplash and stone counters. With the walkout opening onto a balcony overlooking the backyard that is ideal for container gardening or for convenient wintertime barbecuing. Another dark-stained hardwood staircase leads to the third level, which features hardwood flooring and gorgeous contemporary light fixtures throughout, 3 bedrooms, and a linen closet right outside the main 4-piece washroom, which has a ceramic tiled floor and bath area. The second and third bedrooms are both quite spacious, enjoy south-facing exposures, and have ample closet storage. while the north-facing and graciously sized master suite showcases a walk-in closet, a walkout onto a balcony overlooking the backyard, as well as a 4-piece ensuite washroom with a ceramic tiled floor and bath area and upgraded vanity lighting. Situated within a neighborhood surrounded by green space, a short walk from the Duffin Heights Forest and River Trail entrance, and just minutes to places of worship, shopping plazas, the Pickering Golf Club, as well as indoor and outdoor recreational facilities. This home is also just a short drive to the Pickering Town Centre Mall, the GO station, and has easy access to Highway 401, as well as being close to the shopping, entertainment, and waterfront enjoyment of Pickering's beautiful Frenchman's Bay community along Lake Ontario. Thinking of selling or buying? Call Shiv Bansal at 647-523-8201.